are here with a new exciting challenge, Takis challenge. At the end of the video, we are going to see which is the most extreme spiciest Takis from all of these flavors. So let's start.
Let's start!
So here we have 4 different flavors of Takis. One is Takis Kettle's FUEGO, and one is Takis NITRO, and one is Takis Waves FUEGO, and one is Takis Guacamole. So after we start the challenge, we're gonna open each pack and rate it out of 10. So this is guacamole, and I'll show you an example. If we open it and taste, each person has to rate it out of 10. So let's start.
So now we are going to eat this Takis Kettle, and each of all of us will rate it. Let's open. This looks so spicy. Yes. So now it's my turn. First I'll eat it and then I'll rate it. Now let's try this spicy kettle stuff. That looks so spicy. Pretty nice. And now let's rate it. Maybe 10 out of 10. Wow! This tastes so amazing. Next, I'll try. Let's see how. Wow, it's so spicy. I'll rate it now 9.5.
It's my turn, so I will. It's not spicy, but it's crunchy. So I'll rate this 8.5 out of 10. It's okay.
Next one, Isa. Are you feeling spicy? I'm just relaxing. I think I want 9 out of 10. Wow! It is so tasty.
It was okay.
Yeah, I'll eat one more time.
It was so spicy.
Let's try another one.
Now next one.
Next one. These are so green.
Yeah.
First,
I'll start.
I'll try. This is not good. I don't like this one. This is not that spicy. It's not even spicy. So I will rate this 5 out of 10.
Now my turn. Now I'll try. Guys, this is so. I don't like this one. This is so not spicy. I'll rate this one 4 out of 10.
That's pretty good number. That's a pretty good number.
Not good at all.
What?
2 out of 10. Nothing.
Let me try.
Harder.
It's yummy. I will rate it 10 out of 10.
Wow! What the neck?
Oh my god! Wow!
It's so cool and tasty. Let me try one more.
Nope.
I'll also try.
No.
No.
So let's go to the next one.
Next.
So now we will eat Takis NITRO. So the ingredients in this are habanero, lime, tortilla chips, and with sweetener. But this is the most spiciest. This one is extreme.
It's full spicy.
Yeah.
So now
We'll try it.
Yes. I'm scared.
Go down to try it.
Aida was about to cry.
Yeah, I was about to cry. cry a lot.
Yeah, because it's so spicy.
Look, the color is so like spicy.
So dark.
It's like a chili. And now I want to try first.
I'll go first.
I'm
Yeah.
scared actually. My heart is beating.
Not spicy. But it has lemon, my favorite.
Huh?
What?
Eat fast.
Yeah, I like it. Guys, don't do that type. Is it good? Tell me in the comments. And now I've rated.
Guys, tell this green one
Nah,
in
nah,
the comments
nah, nah.
whether it is cool or not.
And now let me rate. And now I'll rate this one. This is pretty nice. So I've rated 9.5 out of 10.
Now my turn to rate. This looks so spicy. It is only a little spicy. It is made out of lime. I will rate this in 10 out of 10.
Now it's my turn.
Wow. Everyone is rating it such a cool number.
Not spicy at all.
What? Because it's big. He'll say in everything not spicy.
Not
So,
spicy. Not spicy.
I'll rate this 9.9 out of 10. Wow. This was very good. Now, Aiza, your turn.
I'm just so scared. Aiza will cry when she'll eat this. She'll cry. I know. She's crying a little.
So sour.
She's crying. Guys, see in the video, she's crying. She's crying in the
I
video.
hate it. I hate it.
Then she's also crying.
0 out of 10.
0 out of 10.
Now, this is the best one.
Yeah, this is the
It's
best
so
one.
spicy
And now I'll try the waves one. My favorite. This was the most spicy. But yeah, but not spicy for me. But not spicy for me because it's lemon.
Me
so
too.
sour.
This is the best one.
Till now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But we still don't know about
this one.
waves.
Yeah.
So now, let's
Oh
try
my
the
God.
Takis Fuego.
My tongues are burning.
So now we will eat Takis Waves Fuego. So,
And this is the last one.
Yeah.
Don't pop it.
can't pop.
It will blow at me. Oh yeah, spicy.
Oh my god. It's so red like
I'll try
that.
first. I'll try first.
Looks very nice.
That looks very nice.
It's also spicy and green. Try.
I don't really want to try it first, but I have to
It
because
smells
this
like
is a
it
Takis
smells
challenge. Look at it; it's so spicy.
It smells like Doritos.
How does
This was pretty good. So I rated. How much should I rate it? 8.5 out of 10.
Now, Hayat, your turn.
Now my turn. Okay. This. Let's start. This is so crunchy. I like it. I rate this 9.6 out of 10.
Now it's my
Wow.
turn.
Wow.
Yes. Very tasty, but still this is better. So I'll rate this 8 out of 10.
I just if it is normal, it will be so tasty.
No,
No.
no.
I don't know.
This one is normal. That's why it's not good.
It's tasty and I will choose it 10 out of 10.
First time.
Wow. Let me tell you
Because
guys.
it is so crunchy.
Women.
This is the end of the video, and now all of each of us will say which one is extreme and which one is the better. And
which one is the baddest?
who wants to try first?
So now I'll start because I'm the oldest. This is first. These both. This is second. This is third. And this is fourth. I didn't like it, but still. This is fourth.
Who's choose first?
This is
So
first.
now Hayat.
I like this one because it was so sour. I choose. Then second.
After
I choose
you.
this because
Wait.
it was so crunchy. Third, I'll choose this. I choose. Third, I'll choose this. Fourth, I'll choose this because I don't like this veggies. I don't like.
Looks like this.
And now next me. I really love this one. That's why I rated 10 out of 10. And look, it's so spicy. And guys,
Which is first? Which is first? I eat.
let me think about it. First, I have to taste it again.
No.
After me. He will taste it, but it's spicy. Why he's tasting again? Yeah, but I will taste
This is
only
first.
I taste first.
This is second. This is third, and this is fourth.
Now Abdullah, what do you say? It is first. First.
He's trying.
He said it's pretty good.
He likes it.
Say it's so good, very loud.
I like it this.
He likes this and he's saying that it is very good.
And try the spicy one.
No. It's
No,
Try
no, no, don't.
No. Try this one.
Try this. Try this.
Say it.
Oh.
No.
We don't like it. I hear that Aman say that it's bad.
I hate this one.
I hate this one because he's eating it so much.
Yeah.
Now my turn. Okay. Now my turn. This is first, this is second, and this is third, and this is fourth. Because it is so spicy.
Not even spicy.
No.
Not even spicy.
So this is the extreme one,
Extreme one.
and this is it's normal, not spicy. So first is spiciest, second spiciest, third and fourth.
Yeah.
So write in the comments which is the best one from all of
Yeah.
us. And
Have you tried
this?
Tell me in the comments.
If you try, tell us in the comment which is the best. Yeah.
Like, share, and subscribe
to our channel.
for more videos. Bye. Like this challenge.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.
And like for more of our videos with challenges.
Yes.
With great challenges.
Bye.
Yes.
Pretty good video.
I love you